In this section, pair of linear equations in two variables. Another method, solve the given pair of equations using substitution method. Two equations are given, 2x minus y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Two equations are given. How to solve? By using the substitution method. Solution. How to take them means, first given equations if you take. What are the given equations? 2x minus y equal to 5. Another equation 3x plus 2y equal to 11. This is equation 1 if you take it. This is equation 2 if you take it. Now in this first equation, either x or y, if you take as a subject, what is the subject there means? 2x minus y equal to 5 minus y equal to 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. Then y equal to 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Here y as a subject. Y as a subject. Now this y equal to 2x minus 5. Our method will be substitution. So this y equal to 2x minus 5. Substitute in equation 2. Then how to change the equation? How to change the equation means 3x plus 2 into, whenever y letter is there, in that one you replace it, 2x minus 5, that equal to 11. Now 3x plus 2 2's, 4x, 5 2's, 10 equal to 11. Now 3x plus 4x, 7x equal to 21, minus into other side, plus 10, 21. X equal to 21 by 7, that equal to 3. So x value how much there means? 3. X value 3. This x equal to 3, you substitute in this equation. Y equal to 2x minus 5. That meaning y equal to 2 into, in the place of x, 3 is substitute minus 5. Then y equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 5. So y equal to 1. So what are the solution of for this pair of equations? There means solution takes everything. X value 3, y equal to 1. This is the method of the substitution method. Once again, in these two equations, one letter, that means one variable take as a subject. That subject you substitute in the another equation, then you get a one variable value. That variable value substitute in the previous equation, then you get a x and y values. This is the method of the substitution method. Now see the another method, elimination method. What is the meaning of elimination method? There means previous substitution method, one variable if you take it as a subject, that one substitute in the another equation, you get a value. But in this elimination method, what is the process? There means take as a one problem. Solve the following pair of linear equations using elimination method. Two equations are given. What is the process? There means take a given equations. Take as a given equations. 3x plus 2y equal to 11. 2x plus 3y equal to 4. In this one, here x coefficient 3, here x coefficient 2. This x coefficients will be equal if you take it. Otherwise, y coefficient take same value. How to get there means LCM of this 3 and 2 you take is 6. When will you get here 6? If you multiply total equation into the 2, that means this is equation 1, this value will be, equation will be 2 if we take it. First equation into already here 3, don't consider y coefficient. If we concentrate only on x coefficient, here 3 is there. When we will get 6? If you multiply with the 2, that means 2 3 are 6x plus 2 2's 4y equal to 2 11's 22. Same way, second equation also, here 2 is there, you get 6. How to get there means, if you multiply with the equation into 3, that meaning 3 2's are 6x plus 3 3's 9y equal to 3 4's are 12. Now, subtraction, if you take it in previous classes, already you learned this way. Subtraction, there is symbol change will you get. These both values will be cancelled. Why there will this is the positive, this will be negative. Now 4y minus 9y, that meaning is minus 5y equal to 22 minus 12, that value will be 10. Now y equal to 10 by minus 5, 5 1's to 5 2's. So value will be minus 2. Value will be minus 2. This y equal to minus 2, substitute in either equation 1 or either equation 2. That meaning in equation 1 I am taking. That meaning 3x plus 2 into y value. Y value here how much? Minus 2. That equal to 11. Now 3x minus 4 equal to 11. 3x equal to 11 minus 4 to the side. That means plus 4. That is 15. X equal to 15 by 3. That equal to 5. Therefore, x value how much you are getting there means 5. That means therefore solution. That meaning x value 5, y value how much is there means minus 2. This is the method of the elimination method. Now try this. This is the one more model question. Solve the given pair of linear equations a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab plus b minus b square. Another equation a plus b into x plus y equal to a square plus b square. Here not mentioned by the any method, either graphical method, substitution method or elimination method. If you choose any method, now I am taking by the elimination method. How to solve there means, if you multiply, if you take it as it is equation 1, it will be take it as equation 2. Now multiply it, a into x, ax minus bx plus a into y, ay plus b into y, by equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square as it is right. Now here multiplication time, a into x, ax here you write, a into y, ay here you write. Next b into x, bx here you write. Next b into y, by here you write. That equal to a square plus b square. Here a square, here b square if you write it. Then already I explained, change the symbols. Change the symbols. What happened? Change the symbols there means here minus, here minus, here minus, here minus, here minus, here minus. Now ax minus ax, ay minus ay get cancelled. Minus bx minus bx, minus 2bx. Next in this one minus 2 plus by minus by. This is also get cancelled. That equal to a square minus a square cancel, minus 2ab minus 2b square, minus 2b square. Now minus 2bx equal to, in this one what will be the common there means minus 2b if you take common. Minus 2b when you take common that means balance will be a. Here minus already common plus 2b square, 2b left, that means b, a plus b. If you check it, minus 2ab minus into plus minus 2b square. Now x equal to, if you want by the value of x equal to minus 2b into a plus b by minus 2b. Minus 2 minus cancel, 2b to be cancelled. X equal to how much is there is that value will be a plus b. X value how much is there means a plus b. Now in this one x value a plus b place, if you substitute in this equation 1 place x, a plus b you substitute it, what happened? A minus b into x value a plus b plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. A minus b into a plus b, you get the value a square minus b square plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. This side a square minus b square cancel. So a plus b into y equal to minus 2ab. If you want value by the y equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. So for this equation, what is the x value and what is the y value? That means solution. X equal to a plus b, y equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. This is a very important model question. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment it. Thank you.